Okay, Jeremy, I got it ready to start up here just on air because I don't have any boilers. Let's see, you want to have these petcocks closed off, this one and this one, when you run it, of course, because the air will just come out of it and really won't start. And I always have the crank at halfway. Alternators, everything's on here. I put the battery cables here, and I'll fold them kind of toward the back, but you'll need to maybe bring them forward. I've greased all the points on it, here, here, and over here, and I'll grease some other areas too. I've got the oiler here. I'll box that up separately. Then oil, I put oil in this inlet here to get into the valve body. But this is the petcock you want to put oil in occasionally when you're running it on air. Don't worry about steam oil, just run 30 weight oil. So let's see if it starts here. Real smooth. I've got the battery cable separated here. And it'll just barely run if, it won't even run with those closed. Anyway, just a couple of pointers. That's about it. Compressor's on.